Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take care of a newborn baby. We will begin with the fundamental needs. Newborns typically need to feed every 2 to 3 hours, consuming about 1 to 2 ounces of formula or breast milk per feeding. You will also change their diaper frequently, often 10 to 12 times a day, to keep them clean and comfortable. Remember to burp your little one gently after each feeding to help release any swallowed air. Next, let's discuss bathing and hygiene. Until your baby's umbilical cord stump falls off, which usually happens within 1 to 2 weeks, stick to gentle sponge baths. After the cord detaches, you can transition to a small baby tub. Always keep the cord area clean and dry. Remember to trim those tiny fingernails carefully to prevent scratches and gently clean their face and neck folds daily. Creating a safe sleep environment is crucial for your newborn. Always place your baby on their back to sleep on a firm mattress in a crib or bassinet. Keep the sleep area clear of any loose blankets, pillows, or stuffed animals. Swaddling can provide a sense of security and help your baby sleep more soundly. When your baby cries, try gentle rocking, soft singing, or offering a pacifier to soothe them. Finally, let's cover essential health and safety. Monitor your baby's temperature. A rectal temperature above 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit warrants a call to your doctor. Be aware of illness signs like poor feeding or unusual lethargy. Always use an approved car seat, correctly installed, for every single car journey, even short ones. Remember to schedule regular well baby checkups with your pediatrician for ongoing care.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.